And again, and I'm going to demonstrate infant feeding using milk formula. First, I'm going to prepare the materials needed. We have the burping cloth, the milk with canister, the distilled water, and the feeding bottle. First, I'm going to wash my hands and then sanitize. So I will prepare first the milk. So I open the feeding bottle, and then the cup and the nipple should be placed downward. Then I will put distilled water. Make sure that the mouth of the feeding bottle and the bottle of the distilled water will not touch each other to prevent contamination. Then, check for the measurement. It should be 1:1, 1 ounce of water and 1 scoop of milk. Then, I will put milk. Same. Make sure it will not touch the mouth of the feeding pan. So, we have the proper way of shaking the feeding bottle to prevent abdominal colic. So, we shake it in a circular motion, like this. And then, look for a place to sit. Make sure that you are comfortable in batting the infant. Put infant. In feeding the infant, you should look for a comfortable place. Put a bib or the burping cloth on the infant. Position the infant. Carry the infant and position him or her on an elevated position. Make sure that the baby is comfortable. And then, feed the infant. Limit the feeding 20 to 30 minutes. Since the feeding has been done, we will do the burping position. So, every feeding, we should burp the infant to prevent abdominal colic. So, in burping, we have 3 positions in burping the infant. First, against our shoulder. So, we put the burping cloth on our shoulder. And then, put the baby on a baby care position, then tap the back. The other position for burping is sitting position. So, we sit the infant and put the burping cloth, and then we tap the back. This is the sitting position. And then on your lap position, you just hold this and make sure the head is elevated and then tap. And